Well, I guess out of nowhere, Lyft has decided to raise the pay for drivers nationwide here in the United States. But is it enough? We're going to dive into the details of what exactly they're doing to help drivers make more money. But before I do, if you're looking for a different way to make money, there's an incredible way to start making money on TikTok Shop, okay? This is a way that I've personally been making over $1,000 a day on TikTok Shop simply by making videos, selling products, other people's products. You don't need to show your face to do it. You do not need a following. You can do it on a brand new account, and you don't need experience at all. All right, so if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok Shop, join the link below. There's a 30-day free trial right now, so you can get that free trial, try it out. If you don't like it, you can leave. And during that free trial period, you'll get access to all the information, all the material to get started. There's no sign-up fees for TikTok Shop, which is great. And the only money you might need to pay is if you want to buy some of the products to make videos with. But even then, a lot of the companies just send out free products for you to make videos with anyway. So you really don't, that's kind of the only cost, but even then that could be free. And then obviously you can just start making money on TikTok Shop. So check that link out below for TikTok Shop. I think that's one of the best, easiest ways to start making money right now. People are making absurd amount of money, 10,000, 20, 50, over 100,000 bucks a month on TikTok Shop. And maybe even if you only make 5,000 a month, like it's still really good money, right? That's like 60 grand a year. All right, so check that link out below, 30-day free trial that will be ending after 100 people join. Boom, Lyft is extending 70% pay standard to drivers nationwide. Look at this. Ride-hailing platform Lyft said it wants to lift its drivers' earnings. Earlier this year, the company introduced a new standard for drivers, ensuring they will always earn 70% or more on fares per week after external fees. If drivers are even under 70% at the end of the week, Lyft pays them the difference. This is huge, guys. Lyft CEO David Rideshare said in the release, Lyft is the first and only rideshare company to guarantee drivers their share of rider payments. We're thrilled to extend this to all 1 million plus drivers on the Lyft platform nationwide. This is breaking news, my friends, as of today. So now when you go out and drive, you have to make over 70% of the fares. This is actually pretty good. In addition, 75% of drivers said they have a greater understanding of the earnings, while more than half said they have benefited from being topped up at the end of at least 1 week thus far. The initial rollout has been a success, with an additional 20% of drivers saying they were paid fairly within a month after the launch, per the release. For example, both companies reported an uptick in gross bookings, 20% for Lyft, 21% for Uber, as well as an increase in active riders. Yeah, I honestly think Lyft will get a lot of drivers signing up for their apps, or not even signing up, but just transitioning over from Uber to Lyft. I actually don't like Uber. I don't know if you guys watch my show, but I've had issues with Uber in the past. They've deactivated my referral account. I used to sign up so many drivers for Uber for them, and all they did in return for me is, well, they did pay me the referral fees, but then they deactivated my page, or my Uber driver account, my referral program, and with no warning. And I'm like, dude, I'm literally signing up drivers to work for you guys. And I try to get in contact with them, no response. I don't like Uber. Lyft, on the other hand, I think they're actually a decent company. And this is an interesting move, paying drivers 70% of the fares at least minimum. And if you don't hit that, they will pay you the difference. So it's a pretty interesting move. Let me know your thoughts with this one. In my opinion, the only downside is I think it should be 80%, because I think 20% for Lyft is actually good enough. I don't think they need, 30% per ride is actually still a lot. So that's the only downside of this, but I think it is a step in the right direction. So let me know your thoughts with this. Again, if you're interested in signing up for the TikTok Shop Premium program, link below, check that out. Again, you can start making good money on TikTok Shop just by promoting other people's products. You don't need a following to do this. You don't need experience. You don't need to show your face. Even the videos that don't show your face tend to do a lot better. So check that link out below, get your 30-day free trial. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Bye now.